Hello folks, welcome to Noshi Action. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. So in this video we're going to learn how we can create one YouTube video downloader website without using any other JavaScript or any other format. So we can simply create this site in our Blogger. We know already how we can implement codes so in Blogger. So first you can see I already copied this link. So it's simple demo that I've created this nicely done site using Blogspot or Blocksite, but you need to use desktop site only because it don't support your mobile. So if you have already desktop site or if supported browser, you can easily access. So you can simply paste your links and you can choose the format you can download over there, and you can simply change those links like terms of use, about us, and contact information. So this is a third-party API we have used for this video. So let's get started. Let's see how we can build it from scratch. For this video, simply open a new new tab in your Chrome browser and go for the Blogger site. When you are there, just simply open blogger.com and press the sign in, and you can even sign in with your existing email address. So I'm going to sign in with my default. So already I'm here, so I'm going to skip this part. So here you go. Make sure you have put a valid password or else you get blocked. So you can see I've created one blog, but that's not for this. So I'm gonna change it to download videos, this one probably. So you can see it's really nice. So open it without having problem. So we're going to create from scratch. So first make it desktop site. You can see it's not desktop site. Go to there and create a new blog. Name it like tutorial video downloader, and here you can easily simply put in the URL address you would like to. So I'm gonna put video download. Okay, video download with something like 21 or 256 and save it. So you can see it's currently no post. So first we need to set up something from the Blogger side. So for that, go to theme section, and here you can easily customize your theme. Switch to a first generation theme without having any backup. Now simply go there and change the navigation bar or nav bar to off and save it. After that, you simply go to edit HTML, but before that we're going to copy our code from download videos. From there, you simply choose and select all, copy from here. After that, go to the newly built one, this one, go to edit HTML, and here simply you have to make sure close this, drop down and select all and delete, then paste that code you have copied earlier. So you can see, so for elevation I'm going to give you some simple steps for this tutorial. So here you can see it is saying that the title will be as you like to give some YouTube video downloader or anything else. You can easily change this title. Then for these titles you can easily change some messages like 8K quality or HD quality, whatever. You can change even font and also the icons like favicon. You can see you can change it from the sources. You can even change some scale type like width, height, that's all. And then also you can change video format, download like these messages. You can change this resolution text, and you can also change the contact us, terms, privacy policy. Here you can see the privacy policy. You can change the privacy policy. You can change about us, anything you like while clicking them. Then you can see it's already loaded the API button. It's from this website or third-party app. You can easily change everything. So that's all. Just simply hit save and it will process and save successfully. Now the main part, how you can generate a link. For that, simply go to this new post and generate a new post, and simply title something like vid download. After that, publish. So you don't need anything, just simply share this link and open a new tab and paste this link. So you can see it's not showing. So for that you have to press desktop site. Here you can see this is the downloader code we have built from scratch with this code. So that's how you can create a simply YouTube video downloader website using Blogger with codes, custom codes from scratch without having any issues. So if you get any problem or errors, you can easily comment down below. And for more updates, you can easily subscribe my channel, and you can also watch many videos. So guys, thanks for watching. After completing 500 subscribers, I will provide to you guys this code. So if you really want this code, just share with others, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to give some appreciation, and you can easily comment down below. Thanks for watching.